let's be honest. When it comes time to talk pickup trucks, most discussions end up being something of a measuring contest. Whether you're talking tow ratings, torque, or payload, what do you think I was referring to? It's all about the numbers. And that goes double for heavy-duty trucks. So when I tell you that this 2020 Chevy Silverado HD can tow up to 35,500 pounds and offer up to 910 pound-feet of torque, you also shouldn't be surprised to learn that there are some folks across town at Ram and Ford who haven't released all the key metrics for their new trucks. They're waiting to hear what General Motors announces here today. In fact, I think I can even see some of them over their keyboards watching this right now. You there, get back to work. What I can tell you is that for this specific moment, as this video is being recorded, that towing figure puts Chevy in the lead. That's more than the new Ram HD, which sits at 35,100 pounds. And it's also better than today's Ford F-Series Super Duty, which rings up at 35,000 pounds. However, and you guessed it, both Ram and Ford are expected to have announcements related to their new HD models as soon as later this week. But listen, no matter which truck you go with, 35,000 plus pounds is an absurd amount of capability. That means that you could tow nearly 16 Chevy Sparks or a school bus, one of the big ones, and probably still have most of your local high school football team starters aboard it as well. Other key figures, Chevy says the 2020 HD's max payload, what you can throw on the bed, is nearly 7,500 pounds. And like the rest of the truck, that bed, well, it's bigger too. In fact, the whole truck is over 10 inches longer than before. The only thing that this bad boy shares with its light-duty 1500 cousins is its roof stamping. Unlike before, HDs even get their own boxes. Engines, well, they're an understandably big deal with HD trucks as well, and Chevy has answered the call with a new 6.6-liter Vortec gas V8, good for 401 horsepower and 464 pound-feet of torque. A nice bump over today's 360 and 380 ratings. The gas engine, it's paired to a standard 6-speed automatic. The upgraded engine, which I expect to be really popular, is a Duramax diesel of the same displacement, rated at 445 horsepower and 910 pound-feet of torque, paired to a new 10-speed Allison automatic. Interestingly enough, we do know that this Chevy offers less torque than the new Ram, which lays claim to 1,000 pound-feet. Either way, GM's new HDs feature upgraded frames, drivelines, and cooling system to make sure that all those big numbers are possible. And Chevy's data says that over 90% of its HD trucks tow, so this stuff, it really matters. To that end, there's a new high-tech advanced trailering system that displays up to 15 different camera views, including using an accessory camera that mounts to whatever you're towing to enable a crazy transparent trailer feature. Plus, you can use the infotainment system or a phone app to check your trailer hookup or control smart systems like the slide-outs on your camper. It seems like these guys have thought of everything. My favorite thing about being inside of this truck, honestly, it's that I don't have to look at the outside. That's right, I don't care for the way this truck looks. It's all ate up with grill. To me, I think this nose looks like someone swiped one of those big commercial HVAC units off the roof of a Walmart. But hey, I'm not exactly this truck's target market. The look is distinctive, and it surely pegs the rearview mirror intimidation meter, which, let's face it, seems to be fairly important in this segment. Unfortunately, we'll likely have to wait until closer to this Chevy's on sale date to learn one other key metric in the HD measuring contest: price. Either way, the new pride of the men and women here at the Flint Assembly Plant is slated to roll onto job sites later this fall.